Phil's pretty much right behind me too.
Okay.
Yeah, luckily we pushed all the ice this way, so once you get in, it might not be too bad.
That's why I try to be very careful coming down off it.
Oh, my phone's ringing. It's Noah, he'll have to wait.
Yeah. You guys still hear me?
What's that?
Jeff, you give him the orders too there.
Oh, we're ready to roll.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see where this goes.
No, I haven't got my seatbelt on. Go ahead.
Seatbelt, what's that?
Well, I don't want to end up like your lap.
Ooh, this could be a fun day. Well, exactly. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not that deep. No.
Oh, there is a couple here that are deep. I think I remember because it got my boots wet last time.
Not on this trail, I don't think.
No, that's good.
What the hell?
The last thing I want today is wet feet.
Yeah, that's why I don't wear those boots.
Well, but my rubber boots aren't very warm. If I had winter rubber boots, maybe.
I'll go buy some. Yeah! I'll get them free like I did. The what? Get them free like I did.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Woohoo!
Oh boy.
Come on, baby. Woo, what a girl.
Can't see what's under the snow.
Oh,
It's a completely different looking trail with snow on it.
a little side canter happening.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeehaw! Stick in your rubber boot.
Going behind you, Jeff, your bike like goes up on 2 wheels or whatever really easy.
All right.
And then I have to remember that my bike isn't like that.
Yes, I know.
Oh, we got water coming up.
That's okay. All right, let's see how deep this is. Oh, no, not that.
No, it's not deep. You see the rock.
I don't think there's any of them on this side that are that bad. A little bit to break through, but that's okay. Oh well. The ice is getting a little bit thicker. Yeah, it is.
Pretty, it's so beautiful, eh?
Well, that's nice that Phil can break the ice for us.
Yeah. That's why he put me in front. No, actually, I never thought of it. I'm used to breaking trail, but I am good. Oh, yeah. No.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Isn't it?
It is beautiful. I love it.
You know, there's something about being in the woods in the winter, like when there's snow down and stuff. It's so nice. You can see so much further and whatnot.
This has the roads.
Oh! Rock, careful. Yeah. Slippery? No, I hit skid plate. Oh, okay. Oh. That's nothing.
That's why you got them.
That's why you got them. Yeah. I don't have them, but I don't really hit anything.
You have a lot more clearance than I do.
Yeah, I got a lot more clearance, and it just, for whatever reason, been pretty lucky so far.
Well, the way your bike's laid out, too, you have a bit more built-in protection.
Well, I have a really short wheelbase, so my breakover and approach angles are a lot nicer.
Yeah, that's true.
There's a 13-inch wheel clearance on this one. I was reading on the line the other night I could add a 3-inch lift to it, yeah, and then put bigger tires on it. Yeah, but you have to re-clutch it if you do that. Yes. So
Expensive?
It'll be expensive, yeah. Yeah, and you know what else happens? I don't know if it'll be worth it. Well, but you know what it causes when you put a 3-inch lift on it? What? It rips out all your CV joints really easy, brakes, axles. That would make sense, wouldn't it? And causes a lot of leakage from your differentials because it's hard on the seals.
More water.
Yeah, lifting a bike is something you do with every intention of a lot of maintenance.
That's thick.
Does
Well, that's
anybody
good.
know off the top of your head which button is to turn down the volume on these communicators?
Yeah, top left, like top front from your point of view.
What? Okay, say that again.
Top front from where you're sitting. Yeah. They're actually embossed, you can feel them, eh? Yeah, well, with gloves on, it's a little harder. Yeah.
Well, I'll try. It's hard to drive and take gloves off
Slow
and
down, Phil.
It's a really small button, Andrew. Almost like the top left corner.
top left.
Like if you're looking at it, it'd be the top left.
Can somebody talk?
Yep, I can talk. Not much, but I can.
Phil, can you say something? 'Cause you were coming across really loud.
Okay, I'm here.
That sounds better. I think I'm
Is that
good.
better?
I think
Turn
so.
it down a little bit?
Well, it was
Yeah,
just it
I
was
think-
so it was so
I-
loud that I was getting distortion. Like
Yeah, I think your mic's probably a little too close to your mouth, though. Yeah, okay, you gotta remember, I'm deaf too, so I fucking yelled. Yeah.
yeah, we're not deaf, sunshine.
That better?
No,
Yeah.
that's good. I turned it down too, so
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'd already turned mine down.
that's one thing I love about these communicators because they're wicked loud.
Yeah, they seem to be working really well. It's a good purchase.
Well, for the price
Yeah.
and normal like communicators before all these came on the market were like $600-700 for two.
Yeah, they weren't cheap, eh?
And you know, we bought ones that were $600-700 and they didn't work near as good as these ones.
Oh,
not
wow.
like the audio wasn't near as good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, the trail gets a little bit better in here. Honey rabbit.
Where?
Cracks all over the place.
Oh, I seen that earlier. Yeah.
Hey, Jeff, you ever do any rabbit hunting up here? Not up here, but I may be coming back up here. You see all the tracks, eh? Yep. I'm thinking we'll do some bunny blasting, buddy. Well, there's a lot of nice small scrub brush that they love. Yeah, big time. Be nice to set out a line of slips, eh?
I love bunny stew.
Yeah. You have to have a license to set out snares. Yeah, well, you just have to buy it. No, it's worth the riding around the Halifax area, let me tell you. Yeah, we love it.
Well, it's so nice to be able to leave from home.
Oh, that just makes it that much better.
Yeah. Don't have to worry about trailering and
No,
all that
fucking
shit.
around. That's why when Jeff said Andrew doesn't want to leave the cat, do you mind coming down here? I said, absolutely not.
Well, that's cool. I know I'm a suck. It's a cat, but I love him.
No, but we don't mind coming down here. That's the thing, right?
Yeah.
At all.
We try to feed you well.
Yeah, that's kind of the draw. The company's not bad either.
There you go.
I don't know, that guy we were watching last night, he was pretty funny, but... That was fucking awesome. I love that. I gotta fucking subscribe to that channel when I get home. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Holy boy. But some of the stuff he shows is just so basic to the whole... Oh, yeah, eh? I thought it was phenomenal, man. Yeah. Now, you can't do that on modern vehicles. Absolutely not. And that's exactly his point. That's exactly the thing, right? Yeah. Oh, look at this, Lisa. Isn't that pretty?
It's gorgeous.
That's awesome. Wow, eh? Yeah, it's beautiful down here. Think you can convince Becca to move down here, Lisa?
Probably not.
Get her to be a nurse down here in the valley. We'll buy a little house down this way. Maybe we'll convince Jeff and Andrew to buy a plot of land up by us. One never knows. No, one never knows what the future holds, buddy. Including Jeff and Andrea. 2 weeks is about as far ahead as we plan. Even that's pretty loose. I know, eh?
I'm falling behind, so I'm in low gear, but I'm not sure
right,
if I
think
still
okay,
need it.
We'll just wait here for a minute. Hang on. Okay.
Well, I can go in high gear, but I don't think I'm gonna need it for long.
I'm losing the track, so... Oh, it's straight ahead, Phil. Yeah, I got it. But my GPS is not tracking it straight. Yeah. Are we good?
So I'm guessing Jesse did this in the summer, and it took him an hour and a half.
Deep coming through here.
I thought the sun was supposed to shine this afternoon.
I guess the guy's all yes. You never know. Jesus! On the moon top of me. Oh. Water. That's not that.
Look at that. Atta girl.
Oh, Jeffy's stuck a little.
Is he?
Yeah, he'll get out, but I just think he didn't quite give it enough juice to get up over the ridge.
There it comes. Boy. Perfect.
It's a lot of big chunks of ice.
Another one.
Ugh.
Up on another one here now. Oh, this looks frozen.
Yeah. Not as deep. Over and over. Oh, maybe not.
Oh!
Come on. Oh.
I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Had to get through there. Oh, just good.
That's sucked in. I took the.
Other side.
I didn't mean to take that line.
Oh shit.
What'd you do?
No, just my bike's kind of sank to the side a little.
Oh, that's what Phil did.
I'm trying to figure out, are we supposed to go straight here, or are we supposed to actually hang on the trail? I think we're supposed to go left.
But left up a little further.
Left a little further?
Yeah.
Think so? Okay.
Your map.
From what I can see. It's not too far, but the trail does take a good sharp left here in a little bit.
Certainly does. I just wondered if it was that trail back there.
Yeah, no, I don't think that's it.
Yeah, there we go. My GPS is catching up.
That might be a shortcut through, who knows?
No, probably is. Yeah, it is too.
Thought it might have been.
Yeah.
Look right. This might become a favorite trail.
What's that?
I said this might become a favorite trail. I kind of like this.
It's nice to her, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you look beautiful here.
Oh, yeah? As long as it stays side by each friendly.
Yeah, really. Although, I don't know, you've got that side-by-side through some pretty squirrely stuff, Phil.
I know. She's
With
a
like
machine.
with bridges with half-inch clearance on either side.
Ah, she's a good machine. I like her. I keep telling Lisa, I'm gonna buy a quad. Lisa, one of these days.
Okay.
Are you still on?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. look at the ice.
I
Yeah,
guess.
I pushed a little too much ice.
Whew.
That's some thick ice.
Yeah.
Obviously not thick enough though.
Oh, you're not gonna shoot!
Dang.
Uh-oh.
Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Hold on. Let me see if I can get out of it. Yeah, no, I'm hung up.
I'm still searching.
Oh yeah, put him in by tie it off. Look how thick the ice is, Andrea. Look how thick the ice is.
All that, you never recorded.
Oh yeah, she's right up. What's that?
I probably had the sky.